So now we're going to look more deeply at factoring by grouping. So to factor by grouping, I'm going to look at, well, what can I take out of both terms to make them have a common term? If I try to group 6x cubed plus 5x squared, I could pull out no numbers, but I could pull out x squared from both and go x squared times 6x plus 5. And then same idea, if I have 36x plus 30, I couldn't pull an x out, but I could pull a 6 out because 36 and 6 have a common factor of 6. So that would be 6 times 6x plus 5. And then in noticing with these two terms, I could factor 6x plus 5 out of both and bring that to the front. So I have 6x plus 5, and then I kind of cross those out, and then what's left is x squared plus 6. So I'm going to pause for a second, and if you're good with this method, just move on. Otherwise, I'm going to do another example to help you kind of process that a little bit more completely. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do some more factoring by grouping. And what I'm going to do is take these first two terms, and I notice I could factor a 2 out of 2 and 8. So I'm going to do that. And then the greatest variable factor I could pull out, I could pull an x squared out of x squared and x cubed. So if I pull 2x cubed and factor out 2x squared out of 2x cubed, what's left is x, because 2x squared times x makes 2x cubed. And then if I pull 2x squared out of negative 8x, it would be minus 4, because 2x squared times 4 makes minus 8x squared. So then here with 3x minus 4, I can pull out a 3. So I'm going to put plus 3 and then times x minus 4. So if you notice in the last video in both of these, I can factor out an x minus 4. So I'm going to go x minus 4. And then it helps for me to cross them out and write what's left. So I put 2x squared and then plus 3.